digital twin can help biotech and pharmaceutical manufacturers reduce time to market, as well as reduce their safety risk. When they introduce operational changes and efficiencies, it often poses a risk to their operational safety, as well as increases the risk to patients. It can be very expensive for life sciences companies to design, implement, test, and then validate their automation strategies. So utilizing digital twin provides them with a cost-effective and safe way to emulate these in a simulated offline virtual environment. Using dynamic simulation can help pharmaceutical manufacturers accomplish critical tasks in a simulated environment. A few of these include FAT testing and IQ/OQ record preparation. The benefits of doing so are multiple. You can reduce downtime, reduce the cost of validation, and speed up your time to market by as much as 20%. Many life sciences manufacturers utilize dynamic simulation or the digital twin for testing. However, there are also many benefits to be had from utilizing it for operator training. We also offer a dynamic model library, which includes many models that can be used to train your operators on common life cycle practices, including dynamic models of a bioreactor. One of Emerson's customers, changing from a single product facility to a multi-product facility, was able to gain 2 to 3 campaigns per year. If you'd like to share some of your gains made utilizing dynamic simulation or learn more about the digital twin, please visit the Emerson Exchange 365 community and connect to our experts.